Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your phone with a controller. To begin, gather your smartphone and a Bluetooth-enabled game controller, ensuring it is fully charged for uninterrupted play. You also need the Roblox application already installed on your device. Most current game controllers, including popular models like an Xbox wireless controller or a PlayStation DualShock, work seamlessly with both Android and Apple phones, offering a much richer gameplay experience for many games. Now let's connect your controller. First, open your phone settings and switch on Bluetooth. Next, put your controller into pairing mode. For an Xbox controller, you typically hold the small button on top for 3 seconds until the logo flashes rapidly. Your phone will then display a list of available devices. Tap on your controller's name, like Xbox Wireless Controller, to complete the pairing process, and you will see a confirmation message once connected. Once your controller is paired with your phone, launch the Roblox application. You will often find that the app automatically recognizes the connected controller, allowing you to navigate menus and select games using its inputs. While not all Roblox experiences fully support controllers, a significant number do. You can usually confirm its functionality by trying to move your cursor or character in a game, or by checking the game's specific settings. It is a seamless integration for most popular games. When you jump into a Roblox game, most titles with controller support will have intuitive, default control schemes ready to go. For instance, the left stick typically controls movement, while the right stick handles camera rotation. Some advanced games even allow you to customize these button mappings directly within their in-game settings, giving you personalized control. Take a moment to experiment with the controls in a safe zone before entering competitive gameplay. It truly makes a difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.